exact trigonometry or common trigs. What we're looking for is common trigonometries. So we start with a square with one side, and so we divide the square into 2 through the diagonal. You know that that's 90 degrees, and this is also 90 degrees. If you divide it by 2, that'll be 45, and this is 90 degrees. We can then use Pythagoras to find the diagonal. We know this side is 1, that side is 1, so we use Pythagoras to find that side, which is going to be 1 squared plus 1 squared equals to d squared, d for diagonal. Therefore, that's 1 plus 1 equals d squared, which is 2 equals d squared. Therefore, d is root of 2. So that is root of 2. The diagonal is root of 2 when the side is 1, 1, 1, 1. Now we can find sine 45. Sine 45 is opposite over hypotenuse, which is 1. Opposite is 1 over hypotenuse, which is 1 over root 2. We need to rationalize the denominator, so we multiply both top and denominator by root 2. And that gives us root 2 times 1 as root 2. Root 2 times root 2 as 2. So sine 45 degree is 1 over root 2 or root 2 over 2. Likewise, cos 45 degree is adjacent over hypotenuse, which is also 1 over root 2. Because adjacent is 1 over root 2, which is also root 2 over 2. So sine 45 and cos 45 are the same. Tan 45 is opposite over adjacent, which is 1 over 1, which is 1. Now we want to find the 30 degrees and 60 degrees. So we decide to use equilateral triangles, where the sides are 2, 2, 2, then 60, 60, 60. We split that into 2, we get 1, 1, and this is 30 and 30. Now we need to use Pythagoras theorem to find the height. We know that's 2, and this is 1. So we need to find this one. So h squared, let's call the height h. H squared plus 1 squared equals 2 squared. So h equals 2 squared minus 1 squared. So we take 1 squared to the other side. So h squared equals to 4 minus 1. Because 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4. H squared equals 3. H equals root of 3. So the height here is root of 3. Now we can find the sine, the trig function for 30 and 60. So sine 30 degrees is, sine 30 is opposite over hypotenuse, which is 1 over 2. Sine 60 is opposite over hypotenuse, which is root 3 over 2. Cos 30 is adjacent over hypotenuse, that's root 3 over 2. And cos 60 is adjacent over hypotenuse, which is 1 over 2. Tan 30 is opposite over adjacent, which is 1 over root 3, which is root 3 over 3. Tan 60 is opposite over adjacent, which is root 3 over 1, which is root 3. Note also that tan theta is sine of theta over cos of theta.